It's not simple to become a billionaire in a short period of time. To start a successful company, you need to put in a lot of effort, be committed, and have the necessary talents. But if you use the appropriate approach, you may become rich by 2023. This video will discuss strategies that can be used to become a billionaire in 2023, such as investing in the right sectors, leveraging technology to create an innovative business, and taking calculated risks. Being a billionaire is attainable with the appropriate mindset and commitment. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Financial Tech channel for more future updates. Let's begin, then. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrency. Your financial stability and wealth may be increased by investing in equities and cryptocurrencies. You may gain from dividend payments, as well as the increase in stock price by making investments in equities. You may profit from cryptocurrency's potential for growing use and usage, as well as the value growth of the coins you now own. Although both stocks and cryptocurrencies are erratic and risky, they may both be excellent long-term investments with the right analysis and advice. Research is crucial when making stock investments. It is crucial to comprehend the foundations of the business, its finances, and its rivals. Understanding the stock market and how it operates is also crucial. Making wise selections may be aided by understanding the dangers and benefits of stock investment. It's crucial to investigate cryptocurrency investments before making any. Understanding the cryptocurrency's underlying technology, its functions, and the benefits and drawbacks of investing in it are crucial. Understanding the Bitcoin market and how it works is also crucial. You may use this to understand the risks and benefits of investing in it and to help you make wise choices. Develop a new technology or business venture. Creating a new technology or company endeavor might be an excellent strategy to boost your wealth and financial stability. Although starting a new company might be a dangerous venture, with the right research and advice, it can also be a wise long-term investment. Understanding the market and the competitive environment is crucial in creating new technologies or commercial ventures. By doing so, you might find opportunities and gain a competitive edge. It's also critical to comprehend the business's finances as well as the dangers and benefits involved. Become an angel investor. Another fantastic strategy to improve your financial stability and amass riches is to become an angel investor. The act of investing in startup enterprises is known as angel investing. You may profit from the expansion of the business and the possibility for expanded acceptance and use of the product or service by making investments in emerging enterprises. Angel investment may also provide you access to fantastic networking opportunities and the ability to collaborate with like-minded businesses. Start a successful side hustle. Creating a lucrative side business may be a terrific strategy to improve your financial stability and grow your wealth. A side job is a means to earn money in addition to your regular employment. Anything from freelancing to creating an internet company to driving for Uber or Lyft is possible. You may gain from the additional money you make by beginning a lucrative side business. It may also provide you experiences and talents that you can use to other aspects of your life. Pursue a high-paying career. A high-paying profession may be a terrific strategy to boost your financial stability and enhance your wealth. You may gain from the higher compensation and possibility for professional progression inside the organization by choosing a high-paying vocation. You may also take advantage of additional employment chances by using the knowledge and experiences you've obtained through your work. It's critical to comprehend the job market and the competitive environment. You may use this to find possible employment prospects and decide on your career path with knowledge. Network with influential people. One of the most effective business techniques is networking. Gaining access to resources and expertise, as well as prospects for professional advancement, may all be facilitated by developing relationships with prominent individuals. A strong network may help you advance professionally and even serve as a beneficial source of recommendations. It might take time and effort to develop connections with prominent individuals. The benefits might be substantial, but you must be persistent and patient. Attend industry events like conferences and seminars to get started, and introduce yourself to everyone who can assist you. Ask them questions and show an interest in hearing their answers. Don't forget to follow up with new acquaintances and maintain contact. Through social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, you may also get in touch with significant individuals. Follow the people that interest you and interact with them, whether it be by like or commenting on their posts, or by sending them a direct message. Make sure to identify yourself and discuss why you believe you might collaborate with them in your message. Negotiate better deals. A crucial business skill is negotiation. Your firm may benefit from effective negotiation by receiving better prices on goods and services and by making more money. It's crucial to study the situation before engaging in any negotiations. Make sure you comprehend the terms and circumstances of the contract and that you are aware of the going prices for the goods and services you are interested in. Along with knowing the strengths and shortcomings of the other side, you need also be aware of your own. Be careful to communicate clearly and concisely while haggling. Be open to compromise and thoroughly explain your perspective. Be fair yet tough and flexible enough to be receptive to fresh perspectives. Make careful to take into account the requirements and interests of the other party. Last but not least, remember to give space for future bargaining. Start a high-growth business. A fantastic method to earn money and build a career for yourself is to launch a company. However, you need to be smart if you want to build a company that can expand swiftly and provide big profits. You must first decide on an issue that needs to be fixed before developing a solution in the form of a product or service. Make sure there is adequate demand for your product or service and that the market is big enough to sustain your firm. After choosing a product or service to sell, you should concentrate on creating a company plan that will result in rapid development. Find a way to stand out from the competitors, whereas by providing amazing customer service or a special product. To make your firm profitable, you must also create a comprehensive marketing strategy and gather the required resources. To reach more consumers, make use of the power of social media, website optimization, and other digital marketing tools. Get involved with real estate. A fantastic method to gain money and accumulate wealth is via real estate. Real estate investing may provide a reliable income stream and possibly long-term riches. There are several possibilities when it comes to real estate investment. You may invest in real estate development, buy a home to flip, or buy a property to rent out. Before you invest, it's crucial to complete your study and comprehend the dangers and advantages of each alternative, since they might each provide varying returns. Attending real estate seminars, speaking with seasoned investors, and networking with real estate experts are all ways to become engaged in the industry. To understand more about real estate investment, you should also study books and articles on the topic and enroll in courses. Utilize the power of compounding. One of the most effective investment methods is compounding. It is the act of reinvesting your investment profits so that you may generate even greater returns. Compounding may both help you swiftly accumulate money and generate a sizable quantity of wealth over the long run. Compounding works best when you invest often and over a lengthy period of time. Make the most of your investments by selecting those that will provide the biggest returns. To avoid putting all your eggs in one basket, you should diversify your assets. Finally, remember to routinely check on your assets and to keep track of them. You can make the most of compounding by having a solid investing strategy in place. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.